Hello friends, welcome to LMS AI. So in this video, I am going to share you an interesting AI template. This one will be very helpful for you. Those who are making data analysis in your research paper, this template is especially designed to analyze the data present in your Excel sheet. So if you are having more number of data, so surely you need to analyze the data. Or else if you are having data set, in order to work with the data set, first you want to know about data set. So this template will be very useful for you. So just upload your Excel sheet and you can analyze the data present in them very perfectly. So let us go on to today's video and explore the AI template and how you can use the AI template for your data analysis for your research paper. So for that, first go to lmssolution.net.in. So in this LMS solution, you will be having an option called LMS AI. So just click on the option called LMS AI. It leads to different kinds of LMS AI templates, especially designed for research paper writing. So these are the LMS AI templates. So in this video, I am going to show you a unique template called Chat with Excel. No other AI tools offering this kind of template to analyze. This is specially designed to analyze your research paper data. So just click on the option called Chat with Excel. So it leads to a dashboard like this here. Here you have to upload your Excel sheet. For that, I am having a Excel sheet here. So this is the Excel sheet. So this consists of many datas. So for different kinds of methods. So these are the different methods available. So almost 30 methods of data of 30 methods will be present. If you want to upload this Excel sheet, just go to the template, click on the option called upload. First you have to choose file, go to desktop, and then I am saved it as power. So and then just click on upload. It will take some time to upload that Excel sheet. After that, you can give whatever the prompt you want related with that Excel sheet. What is the type of data you want, or what is the type of analysis you want. Based upon that, it will generate the content. So I am going to summarize the content. So I am going to ask this AI to summarize the data present in the Excel sheet. So it will analyze the data present in them very deeply and it will provide perfect explanation for you. So this is how you can analyze your Excel sheet very better. So here comes the analysis. So here a brief analysis will be given. So based upon that the Excel sheet what we have uploaded. So it represents IRR represents irradiation measures, power represents indicated power output values. Next, theoretical power denotes theoretical power values. Efficiency represents efficiency percentage. After that, how many number of rows and columns present in that respective Excel sheet? What are the data ranges? How it is approximately changing? Like that, it will give the answers. So after that, it will provide what are the possible research questions you can ask in this respective Excel sheet. So in the same way, I am going to explain the Excel sheet. So I am going to just explain the Excel sheet. So let us see how it will provide content for us. So it will analyze. If you want to analyze only the results present in them, based upon the input prompt, it will analyze. So depending upon what is the type of output you need, so you just give in this prompt itself. So it will provide the content. So automatically, as we have asked, explain. Based upon that, it will explain the content. What are the missing value, what are the values you can ask further. Like that, it will analyze and provide a detailed analysis, missing values and duplicates, descriptive statistics, potential analysis, conclusion. So this is how you can easily analyze that Excel sheet. So what are the number of data you have? If you're having more number of data sets, so if you need to find the best value among them, so you can use this kind of AI tool. Just upload your Excel sheet and ask any questions you want related with that Excel sheet. So it will generate answer for you. So next, explain the results. So I am going to give you a prompt like this, explain the results. So again, this Excel sheet, that is the AI sticks to that Excel sheet and it will analyze the prompt what we have given. So based upon the prompt what we have given, so it will analyze and give further results. So here comes the results, key findings, irradiation, power output, theoretical power, efficiency, observations of variability, correlation, insights, conclusion. So what are the results, possible research questions you can be asked with that Excel sheet. This is how you can analyze also this Excel sheet even better. So this is all about this chat with Excel. No, you can find that no other AI tool is giving this kind of analysis related with Excel sheets, especially for your research paper analysis. So if you find some data which suitable for your research work in any of the reference paper, just download the data set and you can upload here the data set here and get analyzed it very better using this particular AA template. So this is all about this chat with Excel AA template. You can go on and explore this chat with AA templates and make your research paper writing simple and easy. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.